Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. Number 1182. Oh, it's been a long time. Busy, so busy. You know, we're doing the old podcasts over again. Are you listening to my other podcast? It's called Let's Master English. This is Daily Easy English Expression. My other podcast, you can find it in the same place. Go there, check it out. It's called Let's Master English. Okay, today we got a really cool expression, or actually word. If you like music. Do you like music? Yeah, I do. I love listening to all different types of music, from classical, country, rock, punk, 80s, even the new stuff. I enjoy music. And there's nothing better than when you, especially with a band, if there's a band that you like, and you know they produce a CD, they produce a song, and it's really great, but sometimes they play their song with like no electric instruments. Just a microphone, maybe a guitar, maybe a drum, but usually just a guitar. And we call this type of performance unplugged or acoustic raw. But today I want to focus on unplugged. 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 There's no engineering. There's no electricity. The idea plug, P-L-U-G, like you plug your computer into the wall for electricity. But an unplugged performance is raw. Check out the dialogue.
I think she's such a great singer.
Well, I'm not so sure. She doesn't pass my acoustic test.
What's your acoustic test?
If a singer is really good, they'll proudly put up their unplugged versions. She's never done that. Yeah, it's true. I think that's really true. If a singer is actually a really good singer, they will sing with no electronics. Maybe a guitar to help them out. Maybe a piano to help them out, right? And it's true. Do you guys know the song Creep by Radiohead? Yeah, it's a classic song. So many people know that. Well, the unplugged versions of Creep that you can find online are so good. You can really hear really talented singers. Now, we can actually use this unplugged expression in other ways too. So you guys listen to my podcast and there's background music. I have different voices. An unplugged version would be nothing, no special effects, no studio effects, no engineering, no electronic sounds. Podcasts are almost essentially an unplugged version of the radio, right? It's kind of raw. But nowadays, a lot of podcasts have great production, great sound, and everything like that. And once again, maybe because I'm old, I do like things that are unplugged. Yeah. What about you? Do you like it too? Hey, are you in my community? It's a free online community. We have live classes that you can attend for free every single day. Every day, live classes. The community is school.com/LME. That is SKOOL, not SCHOOL, SKOOL.com/LME. Check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English.
I think she's such a great singer.
Well, I'm not so sure. She doesn't pass my acoustic test.
What's your acoustic test?
If a singer is really good, they'll proudly put up their unplugged versions. She's never done that.
I think she's such a great singer.
Well, I'm not so sure. She doesn't pass my acoustic test.
What's your acoustic test?
If a singer is really good, they'll proudly put up their unplugged versions. She's never done that.